In this video, we'll learn how to import contacts into our Mailchimp audience using a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. First, we'll set up our spreadsheet and save it as a comma-separated value, or CSV file, which stores data in plain text. To prepare our file for import, we'll open a new spreadsheet in Excel or Google Sheets. In the first row, we'll label our columns with the corresponding audience fields that we want to see in Mailchimp, such as email address, first name, last name, phone number, birthday, and address. Check out the knowledge base for more details on how to format your file for import. Next, we'll paste our contacts information in the relevant columns in the spreadsheet, then save the file in CSV format. This option can usually be accessed from the File menu in the spreadsheet program under Save As or Download as CSV. We're now ready to import our spreadsheet into Mailchimp. First, we'll navigate to the Audience tab. If you have more than one audience, click the Current Audience drop-down menu and select the audience you want to work with. Then, click the Manage Audience drop-down and choose Import Contacts. We'll see options to import our contacts using our CSV file, copy and paste our contacts from our spreadsheet, or bring contacts over from another service such as Google Contacts. For more information on the services Mailchimp can import from, check out the knowledge base article on how to import contacts from other services. We'll choose CSV or tab delimited text file and click Continue to Setup. Next, we'll click Browse and choose our file. Then choose Continue to Match, where we'll make sure that the columns in our file match the fields in our Mailchimp audience. Mailchimp will automatically match some columns, such as email address, but for others we may need to click Edit and choose a corresponding field from the drop-down menu. If we need to create a new field, we'll click the drop-down menu and choose Create a New Field. We'll repeat these steps for any unmatched columns. Once we've successfully matched all of the columns in our file, we'll see a green box confirming all columns are matched and click Continue to Organize. We have the option to assign tags, and if we previously created groups for our audience, we'll see the option to import our contacts into groups. By default, the status of our contacts is set to Subscribed, but we can click the drop-down menu to change it to Unsubscribed, Non-subscribed, or Cleaned. In the Update Existing Contacts section, we'll leave the box unchecked unless our import includes contacts who are already in our audience and we would like to update their info with this import. Finally, we'll click Continue to Review to confirm that we have correctly set up our file to import and click Import to complete the process. After the import is finished, Mailchimp will send a notification to the email address associated with our username. Congratulations! You've imported your contacts into your audience. For additional information on managing your audience in Mailchimp, check out our articles in the knowledge base.